And now let's take you live over Interstates 64 and 264. Traffic is moving pretty well there tonight, which is good considering some people are already hitting the road to spend time with loved ones for Thanksgiving.
The number of people traveling by car this year is expected to rebound to pre-pandemic levels. And as you head out, consider this. AAA says crashes and deaths have increased since 2019.
Sarah Hammond breaks down the data and has advice on how to keep yourself safe on the road.
Speed, distractions, and a short fuse, they all contribute to crashes on the road.
You are not the only one that is impacted by yourself on the road, that you are impacting everyone around you.
Here in Hampton Roads, our number of crashes has jumped significantly in the last 2 years. In 2019, 38 people in the 7 cities died as a result of a crash. This year, that number went up to 59.
We're seeing that more congestion on the roads, but those comfort levels are still like they were during the pandemic.
So Norfolk had the most crashes overall with 835 so far this year and 10 fatalities. In Chesapeake, they had 3 traffic fatalities in 2019. This year, they've had 11. Portsmouth's numbers have also risen from 2 to 7 fatalities. And Suffolk is really the only city we saw kind of a drop in fatalities. They went from 6 in 2019 to 2 this year. Ryan Adcock with AAA says they link that rise in not only deaths, but also in the number of crashes to a couple of reasons.
People are definitely less patient and then more apt to speeding because they were able to get places faster during the pandemic because there was that less traffic and less congestion.
AAA says you'd need to drive 100 miles to save roughly 5 minutes driving at 80 miles per hour instead of 75. They also say they're expecting to respond to over 400,000 calls for help over the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. And to keep yourself and others on the road safe, Adcock says slow down and be patient.
We've been telling people to pack their patience while they're on the road. So really just giving yourself that time cushion.
In Norfolk, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.